Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable AI chatbots in Meta products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So either you go to any Meta product, either Instagram, Threads, Facebook, and then we can disable the chatbot by going to the Meta settings. So yeah, I'm just going to choose Instagram in my case, and after that, we want to go to the profile. So from here, it will take us to the settings by click on this three horizontal line. And after that, you will find that there are options on threads. So here you can find threads option or to join them, but we want to simply disable the Meta AI bots. So here you can click on Meta AI, but this is concerning the Meta AI uh, app. But we want to simply just control our Meta chat, and from here you can click on the ask, then you will need just to click on send so you can start controlling it. Now we are able to interact with Meta AI inside Instagram. Here we will need just to simply click on this info icon, and from here you will be able to start controlling your Meta AI. So here you will have the chat control, you will have the mute option, you can start hide messages preview, you can mute the messages. Also you can go to the chat controls, and from here you can disable all the chat controls or anything that might bothering you. You can choose anything. Also, you can go to the AI studio if you want to disable it, etc. So in my case, I'm just going to mute it and mute the messages and also hide the message preview so it cannot be enabled in my app. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.